Hello everyone. This pattern is knitted on 7 needles in working position and 1 needle out of work. In the first block of 7 needles, find central needle and transfer needle from the left and from the right to the central needle. Keep these 2 needles out of work. Skip 1 block of 7 needles and do the same thing for another 7 needle block. Knit 2 rows. Now take needle next to the empty needle and transfer again to the central needle from both sides. Knit 2 rows. Now grab the next needle and also transfer it to the center. At this stage, we're gonna start forming our pattern on the 7 needles we didn't use before. So transfer needles from the right and from the left to the central needle. In this row, we also need to pick up stitches on this 6 needles. We will have to start with this slip stitch. So grab it like this and hang it on this needle. Now we'll take this stitch and put it here. And once again, we need to grab the stitch from the bottom. and knit 2 rows. Now we need to continue with pattern, same way as we did before. We'll be transferring needles in these blocks. And picking up the stitches here. And here is our pattern. Thank you very much for watching.